Good evening, my name is Gabriela, and today we will be discussing the topic that is financial aid. Some of the things that we will be discussing is what FAFSA stands for, what financial aid actually is, how you apply for it, what documents you will need, the process after the application, and some frequently asked questions about financial aid. So FAFSA stands for Free Application for Federal Student Aid. What financial aid is basically just it can be either a grant or a student loan that you receive that is from the government to students to help them go to college. If it's a grant, you don't have to pay it back. If it's a loan, you will have to pay it back. And the largest provider of student financial aid in the nation, it has over 1,200 employees that help you basically through the application process and get the money to go to school. It has provided more than $150 billion for students to be able to go to school, and it has given more than 13 million students that money. And they receive about 22 million applications a year, but they only give it to about 13 million. How you apply for financial aid is pretty easy. It's an easy process. All you have to do is go online, and the application can be found on FAFSA.gov. That's FAFSA.gov. The online FAFSA will guide you through the application, and all you have to do is click on the Start a New FAFSA button on the homepage and just follow the directions. Some of the documents that you will need is your social security number, your parents' social, that's if you show up as their dependent as well, and your driver's license number if you have one. Federal tax information from the previous year, you will need to show it, and records of untaxed income, such as if you pay child support, you will need that, and also information on your cash that you have with you, and savings account and checkings account. And all this information comes from studentaid.ed.gov. Right. After you fill out the application, you will you will receive an email confirmation about your submission, and your FAFSA information will be made available to the school that you chose on the application. And the schools will then use that application to determine the aid that you are eligible to receive. So it all depends on how much financial income you have every year, or how much your parents make, how much you make, the number of dependents that you have, or if you are claimed as a dependent yourself. And this information comes from FAFSA.ev.gov. And then some of the frequently asked questions. Will scholarships affect my eligibility for financial aid? In most cases, yes. However, it will not change it drastically. Financial aid, the government does take student awards into consideration when giving out government money, but it won't make a huge difference. You will still, if you still qualify, you will still receive that financial aid money. And what is the difference between loans, grants, and scholarships? Grants are free monetary awards, meaning that they do not need to be repaid. So once you receive that money is yours to use for your classes, and if you have any left over, that money can be used for anything else school-related, college-related. Scholarships are awarded based on different factors such as talent, major, and ethnicity. You can apply for as many scholarships as you want. If you go to scholarships.com, you can literally apply for as many as you want. If you qualify for them, you will get them. It's not like they choose based on list or anything. And loans, the difference is loans do need to be repaid, and most times it's with high interest. And the last question, what can you do if you did not receive enough government aid? You have different options. One of them is you can talk to your financial advisor at your college, and she will guide you through ways that you can make your application better, or you can change things on it to apply for it. Or you can apply for scholarships that and grants year-round. Like I said, there's no limit on how many you can apply for. You just apply for them, and if you qualify, you receive that money. And last resort, you can take out loans, but that's never really recommended, especially if you're just starting college, because you will have to pay them afterwards. And that is all. Thank you.